Let's do today's Minute Cryptic. Today, our clue reads, a cat's head poked into nest, ready wings for descent. And we're looking for an 8-lettered word. And I think I've got it already. But before I spoil you guys and let you know what I think the answer is, let's just go through it. And I'll go through it not in my normal way of talking about the definition, because I think with the definition you can kind of guess what the answer is. So let's start at the beginning of the clue. We've got a cat's head. Head is an indicator. It's a selection indicator. It's saying that we need to select the head, the start of the neighbouring fodder. And we've got a cat's. Because of this apostrophe S, we can be fairly sure that cats is part of our fodder. So the head of cat is C. But having an A there is very redundant. In other clues you may see it's cat's head poked into nest. So I feel like this A has it has a role to play. So I'll pop that on the side. The next bit is poked into. Poked into means like jutted in, inserted, etc. So this is a insertion indicator where we're going to be inserting the C into the neighbouring fodder, which is nest. So we've got C, we've got nest. The next part reads, ready wings for descent. Ready wings. So wings, again, is an indicator. It's how on a plane or on a bird, the wings are laterally to the side in the exterior. So it's a selection indicator as well. We're using the side letters. And our neighbouring fodder would be ready, because why would you want to add ready again here? So just do these arrows. So we're looking at the R and the Y. So we've got R and Y. And now we've got for descent. So by process of elimination, if we're using everything else as our fodder and in indicators, descent has to be our definition. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words, and we need 8. So that means we need A as well, which makes sense because maybe A cats is looking at both of the heads of A cats, the letters. So it's actually our fodder here as well. And I don't know about you, but I can actually see the answer already. We've got RY at the end because we do have these letters, and we've got A at the beginning. And we had nest where we're going to put the C somewhere in the middle. We're going to put it over here to get ancestry, which is another word for descent. Descending in this clue context means, flying down or decreasing or falling down or literally descending down. But as an animal would do or a bird would do. But descent can also mean like your bloodline or your family lineage or your ancestry. So I really like this clue. It was very kind of easy to get when you kind of know what you're doing, I guess. I think, look, for me, I saw nest and I saw AC, and just because descent has similar letters, I was like, okay, it has to be ancestry. Okay, so let's pop that in to make sure we're correct. And we are. So let me know how you guys found today.